G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my Tabletop Standard, and today we're going to be having a look at Dungeons and Lasers from Archon Studios. My last video was about a bit on my stretch goals and me gluing them together. And today we're going to have a look at the walls and floor pieces from the actual dungeon tiles, of which they are more well known for. Let's clear this desk and see what we can do. So the first Kickstarter campaign of season 1 and 2 were both sci-fi and fantasy. In the second season they just expanded a bit more on the first, adding some more rooms. And in the third Kickstarter campaign, which is recently finished, they focused solely on the fantasy side, expanding the world a bit, adding a lot of NPC characters and heroes and things, as well as adding some sewers and some lava rooms, some roof sets, among other things. I would imagine that the season 4 will be focused on sci-fi, and they'll be expanding their miniature range through that as well, which I'm very much looking forward to. Also, I've painted mine up in these browny, earthy colours so that my sci-fi and fantasy things can work well together. So I'll be able to mix and match them a bit, which will be nice. Well everyone, I hope you've enjoyed watching me build some Dungeons and Lasers. Hopefully it encourages you to get some of these kits. They are amazing and extremely modular. And if you want to be able to make pretty much anything your mind can come up with, this is the stuff to do it. Anyway, take care. I'm not sure if they're doing late pledges for season 3. If they are, it would be up now. I wouldn't think that it would be up too much longer. If you can manage to get yourself a hand on this kit, this stuff is amazing. And look forward to seeing what else they come up with. And if you yourselves have some Dungeons and Laser stuff, I'd love to see what you've got. If you have Instagram, please tag me in it. I'll have a look at your things. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.